As a Ukrainian soldier was holding a position, Russian tanks and armored vehicles started rolling in at close range. But while not a fun situation to be in, he did have the help from the Ukrainian drone army, which sent multiple FPV drones targeting the vehicles. As a swarm was closing in, the tanks rolling past didn't know the danger it was in, getting hit in the back section with a second drone to hit the tank soon thereafter, while other drones target other tanks and armored vehicles, resulting in several tanks damaged or lost, as well as an armored vehicle completely destroyed, leaving Ukraine to hold a position and repel another of Russia's wave of armored attacks, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.